In 2 minutes or less, I'm going to explain everything that I can about the crypto market crashing and where I think the price is going to go. All right, starting with Thursday, October 30th, we had a hourly candle close below a 6-month-long uptrend, which it was like, oh, I loved it. I'll explain why in a second. But by the end of the day, price had moved back above that trend line. So if we look at the daily candles, we get this huge long rejection wick and a continuation on that uptrend. Now, a 10-second lesson on trend lines. An uptrend, like support and resistance, is a rising support level. So the support continuously rises until the buyers lose that level and they show weakness at that level. That's when the sellers take over. Vice versa for a downtrend. So we had that support, it pushed it above, and they lost it immediately after. And since Monday, we've gone down 11.2% on Ethereum. Now, if you watched a previous video of mine where I share my crypto profits and what I've made so far this year, in July, I sold 47 Ethereum at the 3,700 level, assuming we would have a sharp correction down. Price continued up, and I sold my remaining 77 Ethereum at 4,730. And my price target is down here at the $2,500 level, where I will buy all of them back at a lower price. The reason I'm targeting this level is because if you look at the volume profiles on the daily time frame, that's the point of control. That's where price is most comfortable, and that's where price is most likely to return to. So if you're wondering why crypto has been crashing since Monday, I thought it was going to happen a little bit faster, but the markets needed to gather some liquidity at this high range and then go down. Overall, I'm up, so I don't really care that much. One more thing, just so that you understand this. Markets move to grab liquidity. That's all they do. They go low to get low prices, and they go high to get high prices, and people enter and exit at specific levels. If we look at this wedge pattern, price shot up above it, breaking the wedge pattern, grabbing liquidity up here, and then cascading down from 4,100 to 1,300, sweeping the liquidity below this low right here. Now we've shot up above, sweeping liquidity from these highs, and now we are going back down. I'm assuming after a couple of sweeps like this, we should revert back to the point of control where price feels most comfortable and where the highest volume of this asset was traded, which again was 2,500. That's my price target. I'm not Nostradamus, but this is my opinion. I've been doing this for many years. If you guys want to watch the full video on my Ethereum trading this year, it's right here. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.